Hello Flutter developers, hope doing fine. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to create a drawer in Flutter Dart. So let's start. So as you can see, we created our project, then we create a class of MyApp. Then in MyApp, when we create the app bar, we just simply provide the drawer app drawer widget inside of it, and gave it the title of Welcome to My App Bar. As you can see, we create a class of AppDrawer and going to create the list view items inside of the app bar. So as we created the list view, so inside the list view we gave it to padding, the decoration of the drawer header, in which we gave box decoration color. Now we are going to add list tiles. Inside the list tile we are adding the icons according to the app requirements. Like inside the list tile, we created the first icon of home. We created the list tiles, or added the list tiles according to the app requirements, like we add here setting icon, menu book icon, my account icon, and logout icon. When we are done on creating or adding the list tiles according to the app requirements, we can simply add the desired icons additional when our app required it. So guys, as you can see, we added the list icons inside the drawer. So hope you enjoyed the video and get to know to the best of our knowledge that how to create a list tile items inside the drawer. Meet you soon on the next video of Tech World Flutter, but before that, don't forget to subscribe and share the channel for more upcoming informative videos. See you all soon. Have a very good day. Bye.